5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. One. A. How old are you? B. I'm 47. 2. A. How much is this shirt? B. It's 30 pounds. 3. A. How many students are there in your class? B. 16. 4. A. Good morning. This is City Radio. It's on 99 FM. 5. A. So, here's your key. You're in room 68. 6. A. This is our bus, number 21. 1. Man, excuse me. Where's the meeting room? Receptionist, it's in room 42. Man, room 42. Where's that, please? Receptionist, it's on the 4th floor. Man, thank you. 2. Woman, excuse me. Where's the yoga class, please? Receptionist, it's in room 20. Woman, room 20. Receptionist, yes, it's on the 2nd floor. Woman, thank you. 3. Woman, excuse me. Where's the English class, please? Receptionist, English 1 or English 2? Woman, oh, English 1. Receptionist, English 1 is in room 59. Woman, room 59. Where's that, please? Receptionist, it's on the 5th floor. Woman, thank you. 4. Man, excuse me. Where's the computers for beginners, please? Receptionist, it's in room 11. Man, English 7. Receptionist, no, room 11. Man, oh, thank you. Where is that, please? Receptionist, it's on the 1st floor. Man, thank you.
1. Listen to the conversation between Colin and Marie when they first meet each other. Colin: Hi, I'm Colin. Marie: Pleased to meet you, Colin. My name's Marie. Colin: Nice to meet you, too, Marie. What do you do? Marie: I'm a doctor. What about you? Colin: I work for an advertising company. Marie: Oh, that's interesting. 2. Listen to another conversation between Marie and a man. Learn how they spell their name. Marie: hello. My name's Marie Casson. Man: sorry. What's your surname again? Marie: it's Casson. Man: how do you spell that, please? Marie: it's Casson. Man: oh, yes. Here's your badge. Marie: thank you.
Where are you from? 1. A. Hi, I'm Hiroko. I'm from Japan. B. Pleased to meet you, Hiroko. My name's Pedro. I'm from Spain. A. Nice to meet you, too, Pedro. 2. A. Hello. My name's Ivana. B. Nice to meet you, Ivana. I'm Jose. Where are you from? A. I'm from the USA. And you? B. I'm from Brazil. Three. A. Hi. My name's Sam. I'm from Britain. B. Pleased to meet you, Sam. My name's Olga. I'm from Russia. 4. A. Hello. My name's Maria. B. Nice to meet you, Maria. I'm Bill. Where are you from? A. I'm from Italy. And you? B. I'm from Australia. Spelling in English. A customer wants to open a bank account. Listen to the conversation between the clerk and the customer, and learn how they spell their names in English. Clerk: first, I need some information for the form. So, what's your title? Is it Mr.? Customer: yes, it is. Clerk: and what's your first name? Customer: it's Theodore. Clerk: is that Theo? Customer: no, it isn't. It's Theodore. Theodore. Clerk: thank you, and what's your surname? Customer: it's Mac. Clerk: how do you spell that, please? Customer: it's M-A-K-K. Clerk: M-A-K-K. Thank you. How old are you, Mr. Mac? Customer: I'm 35. Clerk: okay. And you're male, of course. Are you married? Customer: I'm divorced. Clerk: what's your nationality? Customer: I'm Polish. Clerk: okay. And what do you do? Customer: I'm a nurse. Clerk: what's your address? Customer: it's 29 Wickham Street. That's Wickham. Wickham Street, Bristol. Clerk: and what's your postcode? Customer: it's B567PK. Clerk: what's your phone number? Customer: it's 07213-893214. Clerk: and that's a mobile number. Customer: yes, it is. Clerk: what about an email address? Customer: yes, it's Tiamak1. That's TOMAKK1@mac.net. Clerk: okay. Thank you. Now which? Everyday life. My name's John, and I'm a student. I go to Leeds University. I have a job, too. I work in a pub in the evening. I usually clean the tables and wash the glasses. I don't like the job very much, but I like the money. John is a student. He goes to Leeds University. He has a job, too. He works in a pub in the evening. He usually cleans the tables and washes the glasses. He doesn't like the job very much, but he likes the money. Present simple, positive statement. We use the present simple for permanent statement. I work in an office. Regular activities. I usually get up at 7 o'clock. More examples. I work in a bank. You go to work every day. They wash the glasses. He works in a bank. She goes to work every day. He washes the glasses. Present simple, negative statement. I like the job. I don't like the job. He likes the job. He doesn't like the job. Not, he doesn't likes the job. That's life. Listen to a story. Why does Peter come to coffee shop? Ryan, hello, Peter. How are you? Peter, I'm fine, thanks. And you? Ryan, fine. Peter, is Sarah here? Ryan, no, she isn't. What's the time? Peter, it's 6:30. Ryan, yes, she usually comes in at this time. Cindy, Sarah? She does judo on Tuesday evening now. Ryan, judo? Wow, she really likes her sport. Peter, yes, I know. She goes jogging every day and she always plays tennis at the weekend. Ryan, and now she does judo, too. Anyway, would you like a cup of coffee, Peter? Peter, oh, no, thanks. I can't stop. See you. Ryan, that's funny. Peter comes into the coffee shop, but he doesn't want a cup of coffee. Cindy, well, he wants to see Sarah, but she isn't here. Ryan, oh, right. Cindy, I think he fancies her. Ryan, what? Peter fancies Sarah? Really? Cindy, yes, it's obvious. Ryan, is it? Cindy, man. You never notice anything. My name's Maria. What do I do in my free time? I go swimming and play tennis. I don't play a musical instrument, but I listen to music. I like jazz. My name's Dev. Free time? Let me see. I do karate and I play the piano. And I play computer games, too. My name's Anna. In my free time, I read books, novels mostly. I don't play any sports, but I do yoga. And I go jogging. My name's Casper. I don't play any sports. In my free time, I do to the cinema or watch TV. I go to restaurants with my friends, too. I love food. What sports do you like? Ryan, do you go to the sports center every day? Sarah? Sarah, no, I don't. I go 2 or 3 times a week. Ryan, what do you do there? Sarah, I play volleyball and tennis, and I do judo now, too. Ryan, does Lucy have her yoga class there? Sarah, yes, she does. And do you like sport, Ryan? Ryan, yes, I do. I love it. Sarah, really? What sports do you like? Ryan, oh, I like football, tennis, basketball. Language notes. Present simple, questions and short answers. Do you go to the gym? Yes, I do. Do they like sport? No, they don't. Does he play the piano? Yes, he does. Does she go jogging? No, she doesn't. Present simple, WH questions. What books do you read? I read Sherlock Holmes and Gone with the Wind. Where does he play football? He plays football at the stadium.
My name's Ligaya Ragas and I live in Davao in the Philippines. I'm a teacher. I teach English in an elementary school. I don't live near the school. It's in the city center and houses there are expensive. I travel to work every day by jeepney, that's a kind of bus. It takes a long time because the traffic is always very bad, and in summer it's very hot. School starts at 7:30 in the morning. I get up at 4:45 and I normally leave home at 6 o'clock. I walk to the main road and wait for the jeepney. I finish work at 5 o'clock and then I usually go home. I sometimes go shopping first. I like my job, but I don't earn a lot of money, and I don't like the long journey to work every day. I don't normally go to work at the weekend. On Saturday, I go shopping. On Sunday morning, I always go to church with my husband and my children. In the afternoon, we often go to the beach.